a tailored AI prompt for building your landing pages. If this interests you, keep watching this video. Okay, hey, it's Real Canful Digital here, and in this let me get real with you, sort of like a tutorial and demo video, right? I'm going to show you, and I highly recommend this beginner friendly and very affordable landing pages, or what we known as funnel building platform, right? That they have included this additional help for you, especially if you are beginners, right? And also you have come across right the cool pairing of having a funnel building tool in conjunction with using AI, right, prompting to let the AI platform build out your website, your landing pages, and all that sort of digital marketing stuff, right? So this combination probably you have came across already, right? So now this funnel building platform that I highly recommend to you, and I'm also a big user of this, which is called the Systeme, right? Spelled with the N with an E.io, right? It now understood the usefulness, the relevance of having meaningful AI prompt, right? For the AI to help you create your landing pages, your funnels, your website, right? So instead of you go and figure out on your own on the AI platform, right? To start building that for you, over here at the Systeme.io, they actually included this, the prompting part, as a free business tool for you, okay, on the Systeme.io. So the other part of the good news is there's no additional cost for you. You can sign up the Systeme.io, right, account before you start building your funnel, right? It's absolutely free, right? Lifetime free. If you don't need to upgrade, it's lifetime free. Anyway, the first tier to upgrade, it only costs you $17 a month. It's nothing. It's the cheapest that you can find, yet power packed with lots of business feature to be a digital marketer using such a tool, right? It is in fact the cheapest in the marketplace right now. Branded, the platform is very branded, but yet it is the cheapest in the market. However, it has all the digital marketing features that you need, right, for a full digital marketing campaign, right? So let me flip the camera over to show you what I meant, to give you a rundown quickly how you're going to use it, get the prompt, right? And then you copy this prompt and you paste it over to whatever this AI platform that you favor. For example, it can be a Claude, right? Or it can be a Chat GPT, right? Some other brands of the AI tool. You just copy this prompt and it will generate this coding to build your website, to build your funnel, to build your landing pages that is immediately compatible with Systeme.io. No need to like figure out, because sometimes when you do your prompting and the AI tool created the code, right, to build your website, it is not immediately compatible with whatever funnel building editor that you have chosen, right? However, now you don't need that part is taken care of when you use the AI prompting tool provided for you for free with Systeme.io. So let's go. Right. So in front of me, right, you can see I'm on the page already, right? Okay. And over here, you can see, let me blow this up for you to get the link, right? Okay. Right. There you are. You see, right? That is the exact link, right? You can go and try it out. Systeme.io/free, right? Dash tools /AI, right? For dash and prompt dash generator. And you hit enter on the browser and it will arrive at this page, right? So you can see, you can start up. If you don't have yet a Systeme.io funnel building account, you can start this up for free. So let me quickly run down this. When you're on this page, what are you going to expect, right? Okay, you see it is compatible with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, right? Okay, then you go down and you fill up this form, right? So that the AI knows what you are trying to achieve, right? For example, like your brand name, your business name, right? What language? And then you can even, if you already assign a website, right, a domain, you can put it here. It will actually create it for you inside the prompt. And then your color theme, right? Your preferred color theme. Or if you don't need that, you don't have to fill it up. You can just skip forward, right? You can even choose, right, the different type of fonts, right? So you can experiment with it, right? And also the visual style, is it modern, minimalist, or playful? You get the idea, okay? And then next, you want what type of tonality for your messaging. That means while you're building your sales message, right, inside the funnel, inside your website, what type of messaging tonality would you like the AI to create for you? So you will write accordingly. The copy, that means the copywriting will write accordingly to what you have set here. right? And then right, okay, you can see, you can choose, right? Is it for sales page? That means you can even be very specific that is it writing for a sales page? Is it writing for something about me page, or is it writing for a confirmation thank you page? All kinds of possibility here, right? You can select and you will write accordingly. The copywriting will be going according to the theme of that particular page, right? And then you can choose all the features to be included, to be shown, right? And all that. Once you are done, right, with all these things, then you click on the generate my prompt, right? And over here, the AI will write all the necessary things inside this prompt. Very comprehensive, right? Prompt. And once it's done, there is a copy button here. Copy, right? Copy this. And you go over, for example, I'm using Claude now. You come over here, right? And then you start a new chat, right? New chat. And then you just paste, okay? Paste the prompt, right? Created by the AI prompt generator, right, from Systeme.io, and then you paste it here, and then you run this thing, right? This AI, your preferred AI tool, will go and create that coding for you. And subsequently, once it's done, right, you just copy and paste. And let me give you an idea, right? Okay, for example, this one, right, you just need to copy and paste, right? Okay, for example, this one, right? You see, this is what I meant by the coding. So you generate this code for this heading. The code is here, right? But this will be directly compatible with your funnel, right? In Systeme.io, you just copy this code here, copy, right? Go over, right, to your Systeme.io account, paste, everything is done. So I hope this explanation, kind of like a short demo and tutorial video, is helpful to you, right? So don't forget to follow me to learn more.